Classy. Classy.
Yeah.
Good.
For sure.
Well, we got, hey, we can get this thing running. We can probably go riding tomorrow if you want to. Start breaking it in. Oh, I want to change the oil in it. I've got an extra quart. I'm just going to let you have.
Okay.
Before we even start this thing, we're going to put oil in.
They didn't give me any temporary tags, huh?
No paper tags? They should have emailed them to you.
You know what? You should be able. I did on ours. Yeah, they can email them, and then I could probably just print you that. Well, you might have to really. I wouldn't do that. You only need to take them off.
Oh, yeah. You're right. No, that's too strong. You need a
Wrench.
Yeah.
Wrench. There's your fender.
Oh, there it is.
You're just making a pile. After we did our bike sack, we had like a pile of metal and bullshit.
Pick it up. These old motherfuckers are heavier than you think. Pull that tire off of there. There's a tow nut on there. You just pull it off. Yeah, just lift it off.
See if it rolls downhill.
Better. If it don't, I'm gonna have to go back to school. Turn all over.
That's the one complete. It's round.
It's round. That square wheel just doesn't roll.
Look at there. See, that's even got a little pad thing.
Dad, you want to take those bars off over there?
Do I want to?
I mean, so much lower.
It is, isn't it?
Well, I guess the front wheel's not on it yet. So.
But still, that ass sits low.
I think it's gonna be easier to ride on higher speeds.
You know what size the sprockets are, Zach?
I don't.
They should be the same as ours. Can you check? Can you count the number up there, or can you see them?
No.
No, it's covered.
It's just like ours.
Can't see it.
Exactly
look
like
at look at the tensioner. It's different on the chain.
Oh yeah. They might have. See, this is newer than ours.
Yeah.
They might have improved some shit on these.
What's that?